We're Orange County Drymaster. We are a carpet and upholstery cleaning company and smell removal company located in Orlando and the Orange County area. We've been in business for the last 4 months. We service residential and commercial industries. The main products we provide is carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, and smell removal. What makes our company special is the fact that we are veteran-owned, family-owned business, and we take care of our customers. We put our customers first at all times. We're passionate about our customers, the reaction we get when we leave their house. We're most passionate about seeing that reaction from our customers. Our product, Drymaster, is top-of-the-line product. It leaves our carpets nice and clean. We're proud of our pet smell removal services. We are IIRCR certified. That's the governing body for carpet cleaners, upholstery cleaners, and smell removal. When customers decide to do business with us, they can expect great customer service. They can expect us to give them a call back when the job is done the next day, and we will go right back into their house and address all their concerns.